Learn English to Mauritian Creole language in the context of true love story between Abishek and Trisha. We were alone in the house, in between the four walls. Nuti, tousel dans lakaz, au millieu, quatre, miraille. We were so passionate, feeling love arousing in ourselves, and we were so drawn to each other that we took our relationship to a next level. Nuti sitan passionné et senti l'amour levé dans nous-mêmes et sitan nuti attiré envers chacun, noun, amene nous relation dans un autre level. I was feeling very afraid for what we were doing, but Abishek reassured me. He is going to be with me for his whole life, and I closed my eyes and believed in him blindly. Motivé gagne, beaucoup, peur, pour seki, faire, mais Abishek assure-moi qu'il peut rester avec moi toute longue sur la vie et mon ferme, mon lizie, mon creole aveuglement. Those days I was living at my grandmother's house. She was very ill. It was myself who was looking after her, giving her medicine and all. Saban jour-là, motivé reste comme mon grand-mère sur la case. L'été Pérez bien malade. Moi-même motivé occupé d'un lit sur médecine tout ça. I returned home thinking about what happened between ourselves. Mon retourne la case dans penser ce qui est arrivé entre nous. Please share, like and subscribe if you want to know more of our beautiful love story. Thank you.